Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Rapid Streamz app to your Firestick or Android TV. If you don't know, it's an amazing sports app that can you use to watch hundreds of live channels free of charge. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick device. You can get downloader totally free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll have to go to search on your device. So here it is. You open that search bar and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you'll click on it, and that's the app that you gotta take to your Firestick device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, you have to go to the settings on your Firestick, so you click on that button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your Fire TV stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on 8-bit debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here what you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available on your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick device. Here it is, we'll open it. And now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Switzerland, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your Firestick device. There it is. We open it, and now here in the search bar you start up the downloader app. Just wait for a couple of moments until it is open, and from here it's super easy to use. You just have to open that search bar right here and now start entering the code, which is going to be 984076. So once again, it's 984076. That's the code you have to enter. Then you gotta click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the app was downloaded. The next step is you have to install it to your Firestick. So just click on install and wait for the app to get installed on your Fire TV stick. And after the app was installed, don't click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV device, which is located right here, you will open it, then wait a bit until it is loading, and here you'll find the Rapid Streamz, which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So you click on it and then press on move to front. This way Rapid Streamz is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And then feel free to open the Rapid Streamz application on your Fire TV. And from here you'll get access to hundreds of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.